At the moment, we have 22 players in camp. 22 players traveled from Accra to Kumasi. The only two absentees are Jordan Ayew and Elisha Owusu. They will arrive in Accra tonight at 10 p.m. and then they will join us here in Kumasi tomorrow morning. The coaches decided to include one more player, Forsen Amankwa. So Forsen arrived this morning, and so he's part of us here. We've had the likes of Mohamed Kudus, Kingsley Schindler, Abdul Mumin, Inyaki Williams, Lawrence Atiziki, Ali Duseidu, Salisu Mohammed, and a host of others joining us last night. So, and then this morning, Joseph Pintel arrived. So we traveled with 22 players, and the other two will join us tomorrow.
So what is the plan for today?
We have training at 4:30 at the Babayara Sports Stadium. What I can say is that at some point the training will be open to the media and the public. That's it for today, and then tomorrow we'll do the official match day -1 training, which is at 4 and 5:30 p.m. Angola will train at 4 p.m. Ghana will train at 5:30 p.m. This is because Angola, the away team, must train at the kickoff time as stipulated by the regulations, and then we will train after them, and then we have decided to train at 5:30. The official pre-match press conference for Ghana is at 5, and then that of Angola will be at 3:30. Yes, that is the arrangement we have made. I'll meet with the match commissioner this evening, discuss with him, and then we'll firm it up and make the announcement. Aside that, I don't think because the schedule is very packed, we may not be able to take part in any social events before the game, but we will try as much as possible and appreciate and acknowledge the fans after 90 minutes. And there is nothing better than winning. There is nothing better than that. Yesterday we had back-to-back conversations with them. Eventually we were informed they will arrive tonight. So Angola will arrive from Luanda straight to Kumasi at 6 p.m. this evening. That is the information we have. So because they will arrive at 6 p.m., they will not train today. They will train tomorrow, and then we are off on Thursday. Thank you.